What if I told you there's a beach city in Vietnam where Russian tourists sunbathe next to Buddhist monks, where mud baths are part of the culture, and where seafood hot pot could either heal your soul or burn your taste buds clean off? Welcome to Nha Trang, Vietnam's most chaotically perfect coastal cocktail, and we're about to uncork it. Let's start where most adventures should, in the mud. But this isn't your typical swampy stumble. This is Thap Ba Hot Springs, where you're supposed to soak in bubbling pools of mineral-rich sludge. Locals swear it detoxifies everything from your skin to your spirit. And honestly, sitting in warm mud, surrounded by mountains, sipping coconut juice, suddenly your inbox doesn't exist anymore. Now, if the mud didn't wash your stress away, how about a temple with one of the best views in the city? Son Pagoda is a bit of a climb. 152 steps to be exact. But at the top, a giant white Buddha waits, arms folded like he's judging your cardio. The views are sweeping. The air is still. And yes, the pigeons might try to steal your lunch if you sit down too long. Hungry? Perfect. Because Nha Trang's seafood scene isn't just alive, it's still moving. At Lang Chai Seafood Restaurant, you pick your dinner while it's still swimming. Lobsters, clams, octopus, and creatures you can't pronounce. Grilled over charcoal, dipped in salt chili lime sauce, and served with ice-cold beer, it's half adventure, half meal. Just don't name your dinner. It'll make the goodbye awkward. And while we're on the subject of sea creatures, snorkeling in Nha Trang is underrated and slightly unhinged. Head to Hon Mun Island, part of a protected marine reserve, where the water is so clear you'll see fish judging your flippers from 10 meters away. There's coral here in colors that make Photoshop blush. Tour boats leave daily, and most include a seafood lunch, because obviously you need to swim, then eat more sea creatures. Circle of life. All right, quick breather, because by now you're either sunburned, slightly hungover, or both. Time to kick things inland. Nagar Cham Towers is your culture reset button. These 8th century Hindu temples still host worshippers today, and they sit right on a hill overlooking the river. It's ancient, serene, and only mildly interrupted by selfie sticks. Come early morning for misty light and fewer tourists, or late afternoon for that golden hour glow you pretend isn't filtered. Need a break from temples and seafood? Nha Trang says, fine. Here's an island amusement park you can only get to by cable car over the ocean. Yep. VinWonders, formerly Vin Pearl Land, is part Disneyland, part water park, and 100% surreal. One moment you're on a beach, the next you're on a roller coaster watching the ocean blur below. Is it cheesy? Extremely. Is it fun? Also yes, especially if you're traveling with kids or just act like one. Don't leave Nha Trang without trying Nem Nuong, grilled pork spring rolls dipped in peanut sauce so good it should be illegal. Head to Dang Van Quyen, where the food's legendary and the sticky tables prove it. Before we wrap, yes, the beachy fever dream is almost over. Take one last dive, sort of. The Nha Trang Institute of Oceanography is Vietnam's oldest marine research center, packed with whale skeletons, squid in jars, and just the right amount of strange to make it memorable. Quick pause. If your brain's already booking the next flight or craving more coastal chaos, you might be ready for round 2. Check out our local Bali travel guide if you want another slice of Southeast Asian beauty. Think jungle vibes, surf breaks, and temples that smell like incense and mystery. Link below. Now, back to Nha Trang. Nha Trang is that rare place that doesn't pretend to be polished. It's part beach bum, part spiritual retreat, and part wild ride. You'll leave with tan lines, a slightly overstuffed belly, and a craving for just one more bowl of bun cha kha. It's not the Vietnam you've seen in guidebooks, it's better. South Mud or Skyline first?